Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. Second offense, you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Hey, senor, hat off. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
On December 28, 2024, the officer came to a stop behind the defendant's vehicle, and the light turned green, and the defendant's motor vehicle proceeded, and the defendant's vehicle immediately drifted approximately halfway onto the shoulder with other motor vehicles around it before the driver jerked back into the lane. Traffic stop was then initiated, and the officer made contact with the defendant, the driver, and sole occupant of the vehicle. The officer observed slurred speech, bloodshot eyes, unsteadiness on feet, and an odor of alcoholic beverage. The defendant admitted to consuming one alcoholic beverage, and standard sobriety tests were administered. HGN 6 out of 6, the walk and turn on one leg stand could not be performed due to the defendant complaining of leg pain. The defendant was read the DIC and consented to breath. The result was 0.192. However, the defendant was unable to provide a second sample and consented to a blood draw.
Mr. Allen, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Does he have a license?
All
right. How many prior DWIs does he have?
He has one prior.
One? Okay. Mr. Allen, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case, and I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. You have a valid license. You cannot drive unless you also have valid liability insurance in your name, and I'm now placing a restriction on your license that you are not allowed to drive any vehicle that doesn't have an ignition interlock on it. If you're